but welcome to Official Super Mario. I'm Mario Kid. Today we're doing Luigi's Mansion 3! The 3 is kind of orange in it. I think it can smell me, because it does have, snot. Anyways, please like, subscribe. Roll music.
Mario, 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 Mario. It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Dad, got one up.
Yeah, you did.
And we're back. Okay, today Frank's taking place of Daddy-O, and Daddy-O's gonna watch. So Frank's gonna be playing too.
What are we doing? Floor 7?
Yeah, where do we head?
Here he goes.
Number 7.
Oh my goodness.
Watch this. It just goes in by itself.
Is this the last level of the game?
I don't think so.
Yeah, see those holes are
So you've gotten
big.
all the way up through 6. So here we go. Garden Suites.
Garden Suites,
You
bud.
want me
It's
to
gonna be
read to
something.
you now?
Saving.
Want me to read
If
it?
you want to, go ahead.
Okay.
But wait whenever Luigi's talking.
It's called Mystery of the Movie. So here's a picture of the movie theater. Bring that closer to the camera. There.
Huh?
I can't really see that good. I'll just read it to you. Picture of the movie theater, and then a picture of what it looks like inside. Those speakers sure are big. That movie theater must be cranking. And now there's the seats of the movie theater, and the theater director says, "Let's make a movie." And there he is. But what kind of movie? Let's find out. Oh, that picture looks funny. Now he says, "Here we go," which is when he walks out of the movie theater. And now he's driving in his car, and he has a Mario hat. He's like this, and he has a Mario hat. Look at that Mario hat. Mario hat. He knows Mario hat. Oh, ran out of gas. Good thing I'm at a gas station. And then the gas thing is on the other side, but then he had to plug it in to the car because the thing that you put the gas in is on the other side. There we go, is what he said. Let's stop by and do a little fishing. This is a very cool picture of him fishing. He has an orange bag, and there's a tree behind him, and he took off his shoes so he can soak his feet in the water. And his orange bag full of fishing supply, and he put his fishing thing into the water, and there's even a goldfish about to get on it.
Hello?
I think there is a jug to keep that fish somewhere where it won't escape in that orange bag, but where is this place?
Have you ever played this level ever?
No.
Alright.
Hello everyone, that's so easy.
Well, someone's gonna take it.
How do you know?
I have a feeling. It's never that easy, is it?
Well,
Or is it?
Usually somebody takes it, but I think you can get it that easy.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, ah.
Here's level 8. Just like that. Uh-oh. This looks like trouble. And there it goes.
A thing just ate level 8, the elevator button, that thing.
The trap plant. It's like a Venus flytrap
That
plant.
thing
Oh, and
was
it's
just
going
real bigger.
all the way up all the floors. Won't this be fun?
Why is he so scared?
Oh, we're in for a treat. There goes the garden guy. Well, we had it right in our hands. We were almost done. Okay.
Sometimes if there's a ghost around, you'll feel the controller vibrating.
So can Luigi get...
He can go through.
But can he get hurt, or...
Yeah, but he just regenerates.
Okay.
And he dies when you step in water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, swipping to the next page, the movie theater director and another car is about to crash into each other and crash! With the
Trouble.
car.
Oh, you said that right as the
And here's
screen
a
crashed.
picture of the orange car. The orange car was the other person. Orange pieces
Luigi
everywhere and
Wouldn't
red
have made it through that.
orange pieces everywhere and red pieces everywhere and four wheels because their cars both had wheels, and that's how many I had to put on this picture. And at the back of the book there is some stickers, and one of those stickers said crash, so I added it onto the picture where they crashed into each other, the cars. I'm way at my next chapter of this whole thing. And I said, and the movie director said, wow, because he was so high up, you can see the sun on this picture. And the lady said, no.
Door there.
And then when the movie theater director got back to the ground, he said, well, now that I looked at it, something bad really did happen. And then
Push X, I think, or Y. Oh,
X.
One of
It's
them
up here.
Shoots darts, and it can stick to it. And then there's that too.
That's how you get
spells.
stuff out of paintings.
Yeah, when all the spells, you gotta push that and see what happens. Whoa, look at that.
What was that?
That was
So
a
you
flashlight.
charge your flashlight even
Here
brighter?
I'm going
Yeah.
to continue on with my story. Can I do that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess we have to get new cars. I think she's mad because the lady, it looks like she has a smile, but she really has a frown when I turn the whole book upside down. That's how I made the jar. I turned the whole book upside down because I can't really draw stuff upside down. Would you like this car? And the movie theater director said yes. And he bought it. And I said finally, because he finally thought of the movie. And then he drove back, and when he was directing the movie, he said, a good movie is always the best. The end. I even have a story I was working on right before we did this morning hour. I'm going to start it and start reading it to you. So the movie theater director is now directing the movie onto the movie screen. And then he's directing the camera, and I see the light going through the glass.
That's a button for A. That's the reason. Oh, you already opened it?
And the movie theater director, I see the light going through the glass onto
Yeah.
the movie theater screen. And he is sitting on a chair like this. His legs kind of on top of his other one. I don't really know what that's called. Like this, Daddy. And the camera has legs so it can stand up and not fall down while we're watching the movie. And he even set up a poster that says Wario in his office.
You did?
That is for Mario, and we're playing Mario. And outside the movie theater, ooh, I see a rain cloud and thunder. That's the perfect timing for this episode. This.
Is that a key?
Was it?
What was that sound?
Oh, Frank.
Oh,
See
yeah.
that painting right there? Press X. Coin.
Money time.
The stuff that was in it came out. So that's what X does. And it looks like on here the thunder went through the power lines, and the
Yeah,
camera
light
that was
first.
directing the movie, the camera turned off, and he got a phone, and he said, "Watch this."
Whammo!
And
Whammo! You
in the
keep pushing
movie-
A until it runs out. And then keep whamming. Hey. Oh! How did I get away?
So, and when the thunder went through the power lines, the camera went off, and the movie theater director got a frown, and he said, stand up and said, "Watch the door where
another
he leaves
one.
his office. And
Oh no! They're going everywhere! You can wham one into the other one like that. Ammo! Whammy! Kablamskis!
and then it shows a picture of the power lines being knocked down.
He goes!
And then
Oh,
the movie theater director looks out the window, and I even drew lightning outside the window. So he says,
There he is. There's
"Oh,
some move,
now
bud."
I know what happened."
Oh, yeah!
And then he said, "Oh, now I know what happened." And then I see a light bulb with the light out because the power really is out. And then the movie theater director says, "Well, I guess we're going to have to get out the old car." Then it shows a picture.
You gotta show him.
I've been driving the car, and then it shows up the thunder going through the car, and it made a hole in the car, and there goes the pieces of the car. And then he says, "Guess I gotta repair that." And then he pulled over under a tree, which I haven't really wrote yet.
Oh, Luigi's gotta go down that drain.
Getting lots of money in this room. Oh, snakies. What do you do with that?
Suck it in.
Oh, wait, he's on my nose.
Oh, I've never seen it. Do a double tap. Left and right at the same time. Or you get Gooey to suck it off, maybe. There you go.
Frank, why don't you try to...
I gotta go get some hearts after this.
Why don't you switch the Luigi and try to go down those vents right there?
Oh, there we go. There's some
Looks
hearts.
like it's go downable.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what's in this bathtub first.
I just had a chocolate chip cookie with milk to dip the chocolate chip cookie in, but since I was thirsty and I couldn't find water, so I just drank the milk.
That sounds awesome.
And then after, I dipped the chocolate chip cookie into it,
What is that
and
star
then I
thing?
tasted it, and it was terrific.
What's the little star do?
Where? Oh, that's a. You gotta get that.
Oh, so I gotta...
You gotta collect 5 of those per level.
So I wonder if he goes into the...
You can tell because I'm wearing PJ pants.
You
'Cause
don't have to get it, but that's one of the
you know
things
why I'm
you're
wearing PJ's pants? It's nighttime right now.
Oh,
Well, it's good for a...
it's good
For a
late
game
night
like
Luigi.
this.
Oh, there's some pipes. A late
Let's
night
see what's-
Luigi's Mansion 3.
Yeah, we once did one of
In the
those.
dark.
Well,
Well, first things first.
right before we started
Let's
this,
go get to
it was
start.
8:30.
Oh, there's one of the 6.
It was 8:30. Then I was saying, let's do it. And then we did it.
There you go.
Alright, so now we gotta figure out where these pipes go. No. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, no. They just double back on each other.
So now you gotta figure out something. Shoot the plunger at that board and see if it sticks. There you go. Now pull it off.
Oh.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh!
Helps if you walk
Treasure
through the door.
chest.
There we go.
Maybe tomorrow morning, if I forgot what I wrote, but I already have some more ideas, I'm gonna wait till Frank wakes up so he can help me write the words.
Oh.
Alright.
But
Oh. Hold on a second.
I'm gonna draw the picture of the first scene, then I'll tell
Alright.
Frank what to write.
Now we're on the other side of this.
Oh, yeah. Luigi will catch up.
I guess it's usually not necessary to vacuum everything in the everywhere. Hey, here's Garden Guy.
Garden guide. Or garden goo. Whatever you want to call it.
Garden Ghost. Garden Ghoul. Uh-oh. What's this gonna turn into? Ooh.
Giant pineapple!
Pineapple ball.
Run!
Uh-oh. Wait.
He's throwing them at you.
Wait. We gotta push him away? actually suck them up? Or am I supposed to avoid them?
It's gonna be a tough one to avoid, because what do you do when you get up there? You can try to go up there with Luigi. See if you can avoid him. Less damage being hit. There you go. Is that the end of the line?
Oh, here we go.
Got him!
See,
And
it's
a heart.
not that
Lots of hearts.
hard if you use Luigi. If we didn't have him in this game, then this game
Oh,
would
Luigi
be
has his
like
own heart system, huh?
Yeah.
impossible.
But it
And
regenerates.
if this game did not have Luigi and it was impossible, then I would do this.
Oh, that would do.
Whoa! What's in here? Lots of leaves, looks like. Everything's covered in
I'm gonna
vines.
jump in a leaf pyre! Yeah!
Everything's covered in vines. It's all covered.
Hey, I know what? Since there's a bunch of leaf piles in here, I'll jump in one.
You've got a lot of money.
There's a big one right there. Let's jump in it. Yeah!
12,000.
Oh, that itches.
It's kind of like we're cleaning up this big messy house.
That somehow
This big messy
outdoors got
mansion
indoors.
that someone filled up with all of their money.
Okay, I got all the leaves off from when I jumped in the leaf pile.
Breaking some leaves. Oh, I got spiked by the spiker plant. Oh look, and some hearts.
The aim of the controller goes with your motions too.
Does it?
Yeah, the aim of your vacuum.
Oh. I wonder if
Take me a
that's.
while to figure that
I wonder if
out.
that's easier
Did you know I'm gonna do
than
a
to
Bob
try to sit
Ross?
here and use the up and down.
Yeah.
People watching at home, did you know I'm gonna do a Bob Ross crazy? Well, Frank's here.
That's awesome. Well, here comes the ghosty time.
That was your move, bud.
Which one?
Oh, I forgot to do the
Which
sink.
one was
I forgot
it?
to bash the sink
What
in
was
the.
it?
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Wait a minute.
I like that Luigi hat you're wearing, a Luigi shirt. You're the Luigi kid.
No, I'm the Mario kid. Come on, everybody, Mario.
You're the Luigi's Mansion kid. Oh, that was so close.
Gotta break the sink. And the bathtub? Is that a bathtub?
Frank,
it almost did it.
Frank, whenever you hear a heartbeat on the TV, listen, look at me, and look if my face looks different.
That's 3 in a row that it was so close and it didn't hit it. So I was too close, then I was too far. There it goes.
All that gold
Oh, maybe I needed to save
in
that.
the bathtub, too.
Alright, here we go. What happens if we do the bathtub? Yeah, right! Oh, let's clean up these leaves. There's a whole bunch of money. Money. Leaves and money.
Why don't we call you
Money.
Vacuum Cleaner Leafer?
Alright, hold on, I gotta remember I can tilt. What's going on here?
This game was very scary at the
What's going
start,
on here?
huh?
Did you already do the toilet? You did.
No.
Maybe it's not broken enough. Let's see. Let's break it some more.
Whoa.
Now we can vacuum all these leaves. Here we go. Maybe?
Oh, I think I see a piece of cash right there. See?
What if I get up in it? I wonder... Okay, let's do this.
And that thing's indestructible.
This is a pretty tough thing. Here we go. Let's see. Oh look, there's a crank.
I'm just going to check on the
the
ghost
other one.
monitor to
Other
see
side.
if we're
Try
getting
the other.
close.
Blow the air out.
Every time I walk,
That work?
every time
There
I
you
walk
go.
that way,
Oh look, an orb.
I got an orb.
every time I walk that way, I'm just checking the ghost monitor just to see
Hey, where's
if any
the
ghosts are close.
where's the thingy looking? VV. Break the other part of that.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, there it is.
Let's break a little. There's a little last part of this tub.
Alright, here's the BB.
Whoa.
Well, you cannot see it because it is green.
Oh, let's just get out of here.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Won't let you.
Oh, no. We can't get out.
Look, this is called the VB.
Oh.
That's what it's short. It's really called Virtual Boo.
The
Virtual Boo.
Ah!
Alright, we got a ghost.
I knew, because there was a pyramid on the...
He's the mirror to him.
Yep.
Because there was a line, but no dot at the bottom of an exclamation mark. Which means I knew one was close to us.
Bang, bang, bang,
Bang!
bang. 9 left.
This time I'm going to do something.
Show yourself. Go.
Get him!
We got him.
Dance. Uh-oh, he's still scared.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh,
Triple ammo! 180. Look at his rear. Oh.
Guppy!
Oh, that took some
Oh, no.
Jump, jump, jump. You can't jump.
Alright, Luigi
I'm
can't jump,
going.
can he?
I'm going to play the drums real quick.
There you go.
Maybe if I just get far enough away from it.
I'll let you suck him in. Oh, he's running away.
Oh, wait. Oh, I had him. I had him. Where's my basher
There
thing?
it is.
So does that do a lot of damage when I bash
I'll show
him?
you.
Get out of here. I just gotta be far enough away.
Yeah, that does a lot of damage. Oh, he's gonna get you.
Oops. Alright, I got hit.
39, 39. 61. Get him again, get him again. Oh, there's a heart.
I probably should have got him instead of the heart. Oh, that was so close.
Charging.
Oh!
Oh, he missed it. Quick, quick. He's stunned. Why isn't he moving?
Charging Chuck's going to throw a football through here, and then if it hits my head, then I'm going to fall down.
Ooh!
Heart. Yes.
Charging Chuck hit the back of my head with the football, and it's supposed to go through my hand.
Oh, no.
So,
Wrong way, Luigi.
guess what? Guess what?
Let's go.
Guess what? Charging Chuck hit the back of my head instead of going through my hand.
Oh,
so,
oh, get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him.
Bam.
Right.
He gone.
Looks like we can leave this room finally. That was a tricky room. Oh, yeah.
But it had to do. There's got to be some purpose if you haven't gone in there, right?
Well, it's teaching me how to do certain things, I bet. And I'm going to need to rely on all these skills when I have to fight this big plant at the end. That's my suspicion. Oh, boy. You know what? You know, this is a job for...
Oh look, they just locked that door. You can't go back in. Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Now it's up to Mario? I mean,
Let's
Luigi?
look at it again.
Can I...
oh, because they're made out of water. If you touch the water with Luigi, it's destroyed.
Oh,
Almost.
splat.
I don't know, but you did great last time, Frank. Probably because there's 2 pineapples this time, Jason. Yeah. Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Get it, get it. What is he doing? There we go.
Full of noodle.
Does
Alright.
does him collecting the hearts give it to Luigi?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Let's find out if he can get there in time.
Dude.
Hey,
Oh! Woo!
maybe on that draw your own comic book,
We
I
got
think
another-
we'll put the one where somebody throws a tomato at somebody's face, and then I'll put a sticker that says splat.
Oh, a splatting tomato.
Because it's at the back of the book. I have a sticker.
Is it a tomato or a tomato?
Tomato?
Oh.
Just go for it all.
Alright.
That's somebody's name who's watching at home, then that means I was talking to you.
Oh, you just pushed
Hey,
X.
why don't you try getting those coins out with your X? You want me to get those coins out of that thing for you, Frank?
What do you do here? What are you talking about?
There's nothing in there.
Oh, they're empty.
Look. Wait, watch this.
Oh, out of the painting. There you go. Nicely done.
Whoa.
Did you know this game called-
Oh, we don't need to
12,399.
go back that way.
Whoops.
We need to go back this way. Go in there. Go in there and see if you can find the rice blocks. Oh, there's a button to push. With some rice supply edges.
Way it goes. Push it.
Whoa.
But just need to do that.
You need to grab it and saw through the vines.
Oh.
So you can grab it with your vacuum cleaner. No? Mmm. Mmm.
Look, a bed.
I'll pull that sheet off from something.
I'm not gonna pull the sheet off of my
Pull the sheet off!
I knew you were gonna say that.
No.
Alright.
That's gotta be there for some reason. Oh,
There we go.
There we go. Watch this. It's on the one.
Oh, it's a weed eater!
It's like a
Saw.
chainsaw.
Hey, now you can look for the key somewhere in the grass.
Oh, look.
Oh.
The place is set.
This is me mowing the lawn. See how loud that sounds?
Do a lot of damage with this thing.
Oh,
look at
here we
that.
go.
See how loud that was?
Look right through the bed.
He's destroying the whole room.
He's gone wild road. Somebody stop him.
It's actually a pretty fun
Push
movie.
go away. Boy, he's just tearing up everything.
How about that post?
Alright, see if we can get the whole bed knocked down after this.
I know.
Powerful.
Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, there goes the whole bed.
Oh.
Taking care of everything.
No, that's not bad, Rubo.
Oh.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
look.
that.
The whole TV fell down. Oh, treasure chest fell down.
Look, let's do like a police thing. Don't make that bed fall off me. Anyway, stop.
Alright, I think it's time for...
Now the bed's
What
gonna
about the
fall on me.
furniture?
Splat!
No, wait, there's more.
They hide gold bars in their couches.
Typical gold bar couches.
So I keep all mine in case you're ever over here.
Wait, I'm not over there.
Oh, I have a feeling there's something in that dresser.
I'm not over there.
Got a feeling.
Now I am.
There you are.
Oh look, there's another hole
Oh,
for green Ouija to go through.
green Ouija.
Ah, yes. Oh yes. Satisfying. Just chopping through everything.
Just like in real life.
Just mowing the grass and the furniture,
Your vacuum cleaner and your chainsaw.
all in a good room of your house with your vacuum chainsaw. All right. Well, first let's see if he goes through here, right? Nope, it doesn't work like
There's
that.
something there though.
Oh, you know what?
That hole's gotta be there for some reason.
Oh, to look through it.
Oh, might be.
Oh, well, he's going through this one. And oh, just makes money.
Well, that
Frank!
door is unlocked
Frank!
now, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Why don't you get him and try to look through there?
All right, let's try to look.
About to put the chainsaw down.
I don't know if I can.
Yeah, push the other button. Just shoot the air button.
Okay, here we go.
I think you gotta get rid of that first.
Let's see. Oops.
So I think you have to get rid of it with this.
Oh, here we go.
Now I think you can look through.
You're right, except for that.
What do you do?
Can't do it.
All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Uh-oh,
Whoa!
trouble. Trouble.
Now you need the
Oh,
chainsaw.
wait.
Luigi, get the chainsaw, Luigi.
Good call. Good call. Oh, yeah.
You shoot Luigi.
Oh, yeah.
So that thing didn't want you to leave. See that light coming from behind the watermelon? Like it's going into another room?
You wish you lived in this mansion when it was daytime? That looks pretty cool. Especially for that music room. Instead of like, push, push, push. But if they were electric drums, then it would sound like this without them turned on.
Let's see.
Pretty loud, huh?
Yeah.
We're missing something.
I wonder
Frank,
if we needed those watermelons to do something else. Probably not.
Because they'd give him back if you needed
Yeah.
to do something.
you think Frank might be in our channel again?
I don't know.
Let's see. And then this room.
Oh, that's what the light's coming from right there.
Yep, that's where we gotta get to.
No, just go there. Just walk through.
There you go.
No,
Just
from
jump.
The other side.
Let's see if we can just walk around the big watermelon.
Yeah.
Might just be decoration.
That's what I was thinking. So you can see the light. Try to do it with Luigi. Nope.
So we gotta
So it is literally blocking.
we gotta
I
bust
can do it.
All right.
So no. I can do it, but not on there.
Oh.
I can
Hold
just
on
walk
a
through
second.
it. See it when you get in there.
Hold on a
Both of them.
second.
I'll see it when you get in there.
Hold on a second.
I'll see it when you get in the room.
That's
Oh,
what it
tag
is.
team.
Teamwork.
Uh-oh. Get him. Get him.
I guess
get
I'll
him.
really go in the room.
You get more than one at the same time?
Yes. And also throw them into the other one. There you go. Got them both. Burst him! Burst him! Kablamo!
All right. Here we go.
It was easy. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
All I needed was Mario to help him.
Oh, we're getting closer to the top. With the big boss
Here
fight.
I am. Since you made it to this room, I pop back up. Now I'm going to stay with you.
Oh, he just got money. All right, so let's see here.
In the road.
Why does he look so scared?
Alright. When nothing presents itself, push X. And see if something appears. Nothing?
Try aiming it down, because more stairs might pop up to go up. They're invisible. Try the dark light
Oh,
here.
wait a second. Something going on over here.
Yeah, you gotta blow it out. No.
Frank,
Let's see. We missed something.
let me try something. Wait!
Oh, hold on. Let's pull it from here, maybe.
I know just the thing that might work.
What? What do you think it is?
No.
That was it. That was just the thing that might work.
All right.
But
Wait.
it didn't.
Wait, I have another idea.
Here you go. Look, that
We just gotta unroll the thing. We'll have to figure out how to do it. Let's see.
I was thinking there's invisible stairs there and you just have to use the dark light to get them there.
is it another tag team?
Might be.
Put the invisible light on it again. X-ray light, see what happens if you just hold it on there. Nothing? Ah.
Well, we might need
Oh,
the
here we go.
factory gas.
Here we go, here we go.
Easy.
Here we go. You just gotta walk and push.
Easy.
Walk and push.
Why didn't I think of that?
That's a good question there, isn't it?
That's a good question there, yeah, baby.
Oh, look, this one goes up, up.
I go straight up there. Oh.
There's an exclamation point somewhere over here.
It's like something to grab onto right there. Whoa!
Woo, that was a close one.
Tarweegi. Look at that guy, nevermore.
What's that? The
What are those called? Are
shadow.
those swoops?
Crowbar.
Oh, those are. Is that Crowbert?
Oh.
Yeah.
that one just went.
Oops.
That one just went flying down.
Oops.
You laughing?
Oh, look, here's a little.
That's a peep through.
What do we got here?
Oh,
Mushrooms.
dancing mushrooms.
The only thing you can get, way you can get in is that door right there.
Get you some hot. Crowbert.
Robert, Robert. See if he glitches. And money. Money bird. Alright, let's go in that mush.
Money bird.
The mush room.
Uh-oh. Can't get through.
Oh.
Think Luigi can?
The door was blocked. Think
Alright.
Luigi can go through somewhere? Or do you have to go up?
I think we gotta go around.
I think we have to go
We
up.
we can advance. Oof.
Ooh.
Okie dokie.
Well,
Cutscene. Scary boards.
after all the ghosts you defeated, still scared of the little bird.
I'm out of here.
Are you gonna get past it?
Floor 7 has lots of height.
Oh, there he is!
Oh, garden guy.
Garden guy!
Oh, there we go. Now we're in the mush room.
We still haven't made it to garden guy?
I think we're on the last
Floor 7 is
level.
multiple floors.
It's, oh, we got a little combo. We're gonna have to
We
do some
got
teamwork.
everything.
See the pipe? We're gonna have to use Luigi.
Or red wagon?
What happens if you touch the mushroom?
All right, let's see what's going on here.
What happened? Are you sleeping
I
on
gotta
that
learn
bed
how to.
tonight?
Yep.
No, Frank.
Oh, those don't stay there. Let's see what we got. All right, Luigi. Monies, lots of monies.
Orb.
We're almost at 13,000.
Got an orb.
All right, we go around this way.
It's that way.
Can I get rid of these curtains?
What happened to my... What happened to my arms?
What's going on over here?
Now it says crossed out me, so...
There
not
it
allowed.
goes.
Oh boy.
Whoa, underneath. There's a pipe over there.
All right, that's where
Actually, do you know
Luigi's
what
going.
makes us see things? It's not a green screen.
What?
Well, it is a green screen, but this helps. Whichever color is plugged in to the black, that's what makes the see-through green. The green
Oh, look,
screen
I need to get the
doesn't
thing.
really work.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So you have to plug this in. See the
Oh,
green?
no.
Um,
You
Can we
can't
get there in
see the
time?
green. You see right through it. The one that you can see right through is the green. And it's plugged into the black, which you have to plug one to the black. Whichever one you want.
Oh, does he not slosh in there?
thought he would.
Oh boy.
So what's the deal with the mushrooms then?
Wait, he didn't just slosh?
So you gotta take the other pipe from up there
Yeah.
down there to get it.
And now,
And you can't suck these up, right?
F5. Plug it into red. See,
All right.
through my
So that
hat
pipe's only
and the
there
red.
to access from somewhere
And
else.
now plugged into the black.
Oh, look at that. He goes nowhere.
Okay, so these are going to be like a...
There. Now it's plugged back into the green, which is the one you want to see.
Alright, so here's what we got to do.
Yeah. Hey, I don't think we're really going to need this, but it could still connect to what makes Mario work, even if it's in a place that's way down there. So I'll just throw it into the dungeon. That didn't sound right. I missed the dungeon hole. Here we go.
Whoa, the dungeon. You gotta get up to that.
So I think these mushrooms are like jump pads. And then we got to do something to make them bounce. Like... What do we do to make them bounce?
Try pushing it up. Then it goes like, wow!
Push both things at the same time.
Wait. What?
In and out on your... that. I didn't do it.
Let's see.
Alright,
yeah, let's see. Let's see if I get on it. If I actually stay on it.
When they're on the road and they want to figure out where their special occasion
There it
is,
is.
There
to
he
go into
goes.
the Mario Kart racetrack
Oh.
to have a race.
Well, this actually needs to be
They have to look
Big
for
goo.
the
Gooey.
official
Just double
Mario Kart sign, and then they have
I mean,
to
double tap Luigi, pull
head
it back, and it'll catch up
towards.
to you.
Then
There
they
it
have
is.
to head towards the sign.
But you don't
And
have to
then,
jump.
when they get to a place that says Mario
Double tap the
Kart
right.
Racing Fun, that's when they get to
There you
the
go.
giant racetrack. There's even a Toad house there. Some
Whoa.
Toads are very fortunate to have a house at the racetrack, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think that's where you check pay so you can go play, race, and then they'll lead you out the Toad house door.
Whoa!
Looks like we gotta be him.
That was a treasure chest. Full of treasure! There he is.
Or just do X.
X opens the treasure. The famous
Oh.
saying.
Oof.
Oof.
Oof. Alright.
Oof.
So I'm glad I did that so he's still up here.
Oof.
No, you! No,
There he's
you!
not. Can you jump right back up there on that
Oof.
mushroom?
Well, if I can get on it. Oh, I guess I can get on the bed. Let's see.
It might only get him up as high as that middle level though.
As high as the treasure.
Oh, treasure!
Alright, so
Oh, treasure.
we'll go back around.
Let's try again.
Hey, let's do it one more
All
time.
right.
One more time.
Yes! Try again! That makes sense.
These Luigi levels are getting more and more intricate to figure out though, I can tell you that.
That is...
Good surprise, Luigi. Wait, you forgot about the part to go do with Luigi.
he popped out with money. That was all.
Let's make a pirate sound. You know how to do it?
No. Oh, I know I do. It's S.
No, it's-
No, it's one of those letters. T.
R.
No, this is how you spell it. A-A-R-G-H.
Oh.
Exclamation mark.
What does that spell?
Mark!
Oh, I thought it was
I'm checking on the ghost meter.
D.
I'm checking on the ghost meter again.
Okay. So we think there's a door behind that big leaf, right?
Yeah,
What about that thing sticking out? Do we have to move that?
maybe.
That vine?
Do we?
Climb across the thing? Pull the swing off the vine? No. Maybe not.
I'm gonna go behind the mansion into the backyard. See if there is.
Okay.
Wow, there's a doghouse out here. Wait, was it Polterpup? Wow!
Polterpup's not over there, is he?
He is.
Hmm.
I think I'll pour myself a glass of water.
You can get Luigi up there like that if you want.
I'm gonna pour myself a glass of water. There we go. Look,
Huh.
the glass I poured is green, so you can't really see it.
Oh.
You can see right through it.
Oh. Alright. Missing something. Is that a treasure chest on the couch or is that a blanket? Blanket?
Change the camera and let me see it.
No, you can only change it on this game.
I think the blanket.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we missing that has to do with this?
Wow! Whoa!
What am I missing over there, eh? What about that board? Did you pull that board off the wall?
Does anybody need a pillow?
No.
Because I got one right here. It's pretty heavy for a pillow. But
Pretty heavy?
who needs one? Daddy or Frank? Who?
Probably Mark kid.
Okay.
Well,
This for lightning.
literally shows a little blocked door.
Come on, we're smarter than this.
Oh no! The pillow's trying to pull off my hat for some reason. Do you need one? Do you need a pillow?
Hmm?
You need a pillow? You need a pillow, Daddy?
Yeah, I need it.
Okay. Here.
Thank you.
Where you need it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, what are we missing? Oh my
it's
goodness.
too easy.
It's that simple. You
Too
really
easy. What is
you
them?
just vacuum it
Ah,
up.
those schmerts.
You just vacuum it. Alright, boss fight time.
Boss fight.
I'm going.
We're gonna have to put all our skills together.
Wait, exclamation mark up there on the map. Did you see it?
Oh, let's go ahead and fall off.
Yeah, minus 10.
Let's get a heart for that. It was a little perilous.
Tarweegi, here he goes.
I guess we gotta be here. Alright.
In Army, if you're holding a shovel and someone threw something that can explode
Robert.
real easy, would you do this with the shovel? Pow! Hit it like a baseball. Then it goes into the...
Wow, they're
Ball
using
out! Well, do you know who swung the shovel and hit the ball?
who?
The Panther!
Aaron Judge?
No, the Panther!
Pink one?
Yeah, this one. This color.
Oh, that color of a panther?
Yeah.
Big nose.
Actually, I think someone did
Oh,
this
there's
and
a-
Aaron
there's a
Judge
stone
hit
right there,
his
you see it?
60
So what are you doing,
second home
stones?
run like this.
Huh?
What do you do with stones?
You just collect all 6 of them.
Did you hear him hit the ball?
See that star over there?
Yeah. How do you think I'm supposed to get
Yeah.
Alright,
there?
I'm going to pitch the ball to Aaron Judge. He's going to hit the home run this time and listen to him. Listen to what the sound is.
Whoa.
Kind of weird.
Lots of crowbirds. Well, I don't know how they get it.
No, we're not
Well,
over there anymore.
that was the last ball I had. And unfortunately, it went into the dungeon.
This is the thing that has the button inside it, right? So plunger it open.
I'm behind the mansion. And there's even a chair back
I
here.
bet you the garden guy's in there too.
I can
Or he's
see,
not going to be happy when
I
he
can
opens it.
see through the mansion, so I can still see the TV. Let's
Oh, double team.
Oh,
Whoop.
You don't know exactly what
Wait.
Frank's gonna do.
Okay, okay.
you're.
There it is.
Get it!
Oh,
He's not going to let
boy.
it go that easy. I can tell you that right
That's
now.
it. End of the level.
No, 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 no.
Piece of
no.
cake. No, 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 no. All
Hey,
the way to
it
the
just took us 4
bottom.
hours to climb up there.
All the way to the bottom.
Luigi, you got to be better than that.
Oh no.
Luigi! You have
Here we
to
go.
catch it!
Oh, look. Is that money?
Cash money. Should get that stone, but
How-
I guess not.
How in the world will we get back there and just
Right,
jump
yeah.
down and lose 20 life?
Maybe. Be fast.
Well, you know.
Oh,
And
you know.
painful.
Here we go.
Jump down, Frank. That might be the only
There we
way.
go.
Elevator.
Wah!
Oh, we're gonna slide.
Oh, wah! Wah!
All the way down.
No.
Go get it! Go get it! Go!
Save
Get it!
Boss fight.
No! Go get it!
Which way?
This way. Right there!
Boss fight.
Right in front of your face.
Here we go.
Ah!
Not again. Oh, he's got his own little plant.
Alright. We've got a plant and a ghost. That was a close call. Oh, we get to use the buzzsaw.
Get it, quick.
Let's see what his attack is.
300.
Trying to pull the camera off. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Don't you gotta light it up first? Or... Just going right there. Oh, you gotta. There you go. Oh, you got
Where's Kane buzzing? Last
Yeah.
night I had a plate hot dog because we didn't have any
So I think I have to...
Get that heart.
Last night I had a plate
Oh,
hot
look
dog.
at this. Oh no, I don't have
Get him,
it.
get him, get him, get him. Now get him. Let go of that thing and get him. There you go. Yes.
Oh,
Luigi! Luigi!
I'm the ghost!
Skaboodle!
Let go.
Is he gonna get another one? Oh, there he is.
Ew.
Oh, he got another one.
Ew.
Lead him to there.
Ooh. Uh-oh, he just wiped that one out.
I go ahead and get that saw.
Let's see if I can do that. Almost do a cartwheel.
Oh, he knocked it
I
right out
can
of my
almost
hand.
do a cartwheel.
Oh, knocked it right
You
out
know
of my
that
hand.
thing that girls can do?
Yeah.
Cartwheel?
Yeah.
I can almost do it. Look how good I
Alright,
can
let's
do
see
it.
if he knocks this one.
Oh!
The last
Oh,
time
no.
I did it was pretty good.
Hey, boys can do cartwheels too. Oh, no.
Let's see what we're doing
But
here.
it's hard.
Oh, he just wiped them right out.
On one of Wildman
Ooh.
G's episodes, I saw someone
right there.
do a
So
cartwheel.
shine him.
Wild Ben G?
Yeah, on Wildman G's channel on one of his
There
shorts.
it is, green. When it turns green, you can't get it. See what's glowing?
No.
Can you do a handstand?
I'm
Nice
confused.
handstand.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh, we got it. Oh, chomp the green one. Chomp the green one. Oh, you missed it.
so confused.
This is something. Stay behind it and let it charge you. Like right there. Oh, when you do the vacuum, it turns green. Nope, maybe not.
Let's see.
Ugh.
I'm missing something here.
Stay behind the green one. So it goes for you and hits the green one.
Oh,
Watch
yeah,
this.
yeah, it needs to be
Let's see
right.
if I can throw my hat over the mansion. You think I can do that? Let's see if I can throw it high enough. Oh, I must have hit the wall. Do that again. Oh, I
Got
hit
the light.
It keeps hitting the wall.
There it is. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
I threw it over the
Alright, here goes number
There
2.
it goes. It's so easy.
I threw my hat over the
Oh, he's so embarrassed.
I threw my hat over the mansion. Watch.
There it goes. Oh, I thought you had a mention. There it goes. Skablimo.
Alright, he's under 100.
Skablowski.
Let me see if I can find my hat. There it is.
Get it again? No. See, that did something.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
You don't want to go sideways.
No.
No. is it. This is it. Oh!
I'll take the heart. I'll take the heart.
Of course I'll take the heart!
There it is! Chainsaw time!
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, it's all the way over here.
Oh!
I'm much slower with it. I wonder if I need to do this.
Whoa! Tried to mow you down.
Ooh, that was close.
There you go.
Like-
That's what I think you need to do right there.
What's
Well,
that?
I'm gonna try to chop the camera off. Watch!
Oh, he's sniffing.
Oh. Oh no. Mine's got
Oh!
Wait.
There he goes. Got it.
There he goes. It's gotta be right, maybe. I don't know. All I know is we got him. We got him.
That's it.
We
That's
got
it.
it.
The big finale. Get him. Get him. Oh, and he's standing up. He gone.
Bye. Bye. Boss.
Bye-bye.
Boy.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look, and there's our
Elevator button.
He's
there's our
doing
number 8.
it!
Way up high.
And we can't reach it.
Oh, but we're gonna grow something maybe.
Doing a little dance.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a little watering.
Oh, we gotta water the vine. Don't let your Ouija water it.
Here we go. Here we go.
Let's go. The big pickle.
Is it almost time to wrap it up?
Almost.
Almost.
Let's get
This
the
is gonna be
elevator
it.
button.
Level 7 complete. We didn't even die.
I did it.
What is that number?
Ocho.
The Ocho?
The Ocho. Wait,
Uno, dos, tres,
so we just go to the
cinco.
elevator
Yeah.
and we're done?
Well, we'll see. We'll see.
When we
Won't
go through
we?
the door, we can
So
stop.
we have.
It should say right there. All right, bud.
So if you like the episode, please subscribe. What should I do? Oh, try to jump in this comic book.
All right, do it.
Set it down on the ground. Nintendo!
Good job.
Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe? Like and subscribe!
Thank you.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.